This is Dan Maloney, Matrox, at ISC 2024. I'm here at the Stagetec Booth with Stefan from Simplexity, and Stefan's going to take us how they integrated the ConvertIP into this fantastic Pro AV, high-end Pro AV solution called Stagenet. Stefan?
Thanks, Dan. Yeah. So, we as Simplexity, we are consultants, and we consult many installations focusing on audio and video over IP. And we see day by day, IP is great. It has a huge flexibility, but at the same time, it also brings a huge complexity with it. And most people are overwhelmed. And then actually, even if it runs, they don't like to touch the system anymore. And we think, as a Stagenet community, we think that's wrong. You should use your network in a most dynamic and most flexible way as it was intended originally. So, one way is to teach people how to handle setups of switches and networks and all this kind of stuff, but that's actually doesn't really scale, right?
Yep.
So the second way is that you build a software like Stagenet, a control software, which has all this intelligence built in.
From start to finish, network, audio, video components, all under one interface.
Now, unfortunately, we need to be integrating every product individually because we want that user experience to be in the center and not compromised. So, one of the products we've done right at the beginning was the ConvertIP product range by Matrox. So that's the video side. We have done other stuff, obviously, by Stagetec, the audio side. We have also emerging audio products, and we've got Arista switches built in. So that means we are actually configuring the switches as well to make sure it's all correct and it works. A ConvertIP source containing audio and video shows up as a folder. So I can just basically look into it and I see the audio and video part of it. And there is a folder on the destination side with audio and video as well. Now, to connect the two, it's as easy as dragging and dropping one folder to the other one. And then it connects the audio and the video side to it. But the beauty of 2110 and IPMX is that you don't have embedded and de-embedded signals. So that means I could just go somewhere and choose another audio source, let's say this guy, and connect that audio together with that video. And then I have audio and video coming from two different sources.
And being displayed and output via ConvertIP, even though there's a separate audio source. And this is one of the value, why we value partnerships, is because we can't do it all. Stagenet and Simplexity identified the needs for the high-end Pro AV community and be able to put together a package that really showcases the power of ConvertIP, but as well as ease of use for the installers and ISVs who need to deliver a solution to our customers.
Exactly. So the user experience is in the center, and we don't just care about the IP side. We also actually care about some very just minor, like the most important controls of the baseband side. For instance, I can on a ConvertIP, I can switch on a test generator just to check what's going on, to see IP signals and whatever. Now, on the audio side, the equivalent to that would be that I take a presenter's mic and I connect it to a loudspeaker, and there on the presenter, the equivalent is probably that I can just adjust a microphone preamplifier because that's what I need every day, and that's just the most basic stuff. So it's all built into one UI. So you don't have to dig into the different UIs of the vendors.
Stefan, it's exciting stuff. We're happy to be working with Stagetec and Stagenet, and thanks for your support.
Thank you for coming by.
Yeah.